We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Magnetic Fidget Pen Toys by Luashpi. This product is a unique combination of a functional gel pen and a magnetic fidget toy set designed for children and adults alike. It includes 5 pen refills, 14 colorful magnetic tubes, 30 steel balls, pen caps, a pen tip, a clip, and 2 touchscreen nibs. The components can be rotated and combined freely to create various shapes such as puppies, stickmen, robots, chairs, stars, and monsters, making it a versatile and creative gadget. The pen is not only a writing instrument, but also serves as a stylus pen, a compass for geometry, and a phone or tablet holder, redefining what a pen can do. Users appreciate this multifunctionality, especially those who need a fidget tool to relieve stress or anxiety. It is particularly popular among kids, students, teachers, engineers, designers, and office workers who benefit from having something to occupy their hands while focusing. Many reviewers highlight the strong magnets and good quality of the steel balls and tubes, which magnetize well and hold together firmly. The ink refills are included in the package, and the pen writes smoothly, although some users note that the pen function is just adequate, and the main appeal is the fidget and creative aspect. The product comes in a sturdy giftable box with custom-fitted foam to keep all parts organized and secure, which adds to its appeal as a gift item for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. The packaging, however, has been reported to sometimes allow parts to come loose during shipping, so buyers are advised to be cautious. The set is recommended for children aged 6 and up, but because of the small magnetic pieces, adult supervision is advised for younger users to avoid choking hazards. Many parents and users with ADHD find this fidget pen particularly helpful as it provides a tactile outlet that can improve concentration and reduce anxiety. The creative potential of the magnetic pieces encourages imaginative play and can engage users for extended periods. The pen's design appeals to those who enjoy building and constructing, similar to Lego enthusiasts. Overall, the Magnetic Fidget Pen Toys offer a unique blend of practicality and playability. It is a fun and engaging tool for those who need something to keep their hands busy, whether in a classroom, office, or at home. The strong magnets, variety of components, and included refills make it a durable and lasting product. While the pen function may not be the highest quality writing instrument, its value lies in the versatility and enjoyment it provides. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.